Hey guys, Dr. Laura Johnson here from Yellow Brick Physical Therapy in Boulder, Colorado. I want to show you some upper body exercises that you can do with the looped band. So you're going to place the band around your wrist and then make your arms super straight, or super stiff rather. So your elbows are bent at your sides and you just make your wrists really straight and neutral. And from here, just a little motion where you bring your arms out to the side, squeezing your upper back and shoulder blades. So you're not going to have a lot of motion likely because of the stiffness of the band, but you're just going to activate those muscles between your shoulder blades, keeping your shoulders down and back, and doing this slight motion outward. So your back side as I'm doing this. 3, 2, 1. Another upper body exercise you can do. You can add this to something like a bridge like we did before to make it more challenging. You can keep tension on the band this way, and as you have your arms up, you can add a bridge and do a couple of things at one time. And this keeps tension and work on the shoulders and upper back. Another way you can use this for upper body is to do a tricep extension. So you hold that looped band, place your palm backward. You're going to hold it on one side and then bend forward slightly and press it back, keeping your shoulder down and back. And you get to add a little resistance. If this is ever too hard to start, you can certainly do that without. And you just squeeze in. You want to keep your wrists really stable and strong as you add this resistance, and make sure your kind of assist arm is far enough over that it's not too much so you can't get a full squeeze or range of motion out of that. So those are a couple of ways you can work. Well, another way to balance out that tricep is you can do a bicep curl. So you just create your own stability with the resistance band, and you can do a lot of different exercises using that. All right, let me know if you have any questions or ideas, and I'd love to help.